As far as the field sobriety tests go and DUIs, it's funny to me because it's such a subjective thing. The police have been trained to do this. And, all the clients that walk into my office are arrested and they fail the field sobriety test. And obviously, I know that because I've been doing this a long time. And they can't arrest you unless they claim that you failed the field sobriety test or you refuse the test or you're falling down drunk and you can't do the test. But it's ridiculous because some of the things that they say related to the tests are just so ticky-tack in my opinion. But again, it's them formulating the opinion that you're not safe to drive. So now they're going to marshal the facts in order to prove that. So I don't really hold much credence in these field sobriety tests because the police manipulate them and say certain things. But, there are times when I can use the field sobriety test to my advantage. One of the things they're looking at are, were you cooperative with the police? I mean, somebody who is drunk and can't safely operate a motor vehicle is probably not going to be cooperative. They're not going to do what the police say. So a lot of times that box is checked that says the client was cooperative. I mean, that's my first angle to deal with the prosecutors. Look, my client was very cooperative with the police, did what they say, and if you can pass a couple of the tests, and they're having you count to 30, if you estimate 30 at 28, that's a pass as far as I'm concerned. They're having you walk that line and you're hitting, most of the steps when it's dark outside and probably cold and you're being roughed up by the police. To me, that's a pass as well. So there's a lot of times where we can show that, look, they passed most of the tests, even according to the police. And now we start to get the leverage in order to either get the case dismissed or negotiate a lesser penalty. I've been doing this for 25 years. Come into my office, let's sit down, let's go over everything. We'll talk about the field sobriety tests, and you can tell me kind of what you think of them and what you think happened, and I can give you an idea of kind of how the law enforcement officers deal with it. If you already have your police report, then we can see exactly what they put in there. So really what I'm trying to do when I meet with the client is give them some peace of mind. Let them take control of their life back so they feel like, all right, fine, I now know I've been arrested, this sucks, I got to go to court, but I see a light at the end of the tunnel. I see what I have to do. I see how I can help my attorney, and I see what the road is to get myself out of the legal system and back driving on the road, doing the things that I want to do.